again, thank you for watching the Sewing Doctor in New York. This time I have a Bernette B65. This machine here came in because it's making a loud noise when you activate the bobbin winder. The two things that could happen: either the belt is loose, it could be that the belt is loose, it's not adjusting correctly, or the clutch, the actually clutch on the bobbin winder gets dry. That I've seen a lot of time, not just with Bernette, all different machines, you know, the Brothers, any other machine that use an engaged bobbin winder on the side like this might get just completely dried because they put grease in there. So sometimes that grease gets dried, and instead of it engaging in and out, every time you pop the bobbin winder in and out, you know it has to go in and out easy. So when it gets dry, you put some oil in there, maybe sometimes customer put oil in there and it gets dry, so that makes a loud noise. I'm going to show you now what it sounds like, and then I will show you after I'm finished, okay? Clanky noise that we have, it's actually this comes in, engage the clutch here, and that's how you stop, and then the bobbin start working, and the actually wheel here just disengage and this start working. You know, it's making a funny noise. You know, a lot of time what happens is, you can see here, this is very, it's a big dry grease inside. It's very dry, sticky and greasy. So that's probably why the clutch keeps getting stuck and not releasing on time when you need to do the bobbin winder. So what I'm going to do is nothing. I'm just going to go inside, you know, make sure that I clean everything here because it's very sticky. It's like it has grease all over the place. Just clean it, you know, wipe it out nice. And once you put the clutch back in there, everything should be fine. But at the moment, we are having that issue. And that's because, you know, the grease had dried out inside. So a lot of grease dried, and this is very dried. It should run nice and smooth. When I finish, I put everything back. You know, once I put everything back, it should work fine. But right now, even for me to take it out, it's very greasy. You know, it shouldn't be. It should in and out easy. So let me just clean it, oil it, you know, take the grease off, wipe it out with some alcohol, and then re-clean everything again with nice, maybe degreaser or something on DW40 to clean it up, and we'll be fine. I have now cleaned everything nice and clean. I took a degreaser, I degreaser, also same thing here. So now when I put this back in there, everything should be, you know, it should come in out like that, the way it is right now. It goes in and out easy. I'm going to engage everything back and we'll be fine. See, now I just want to show you when I step on the foot pedal, see, if I disengage the bobbin. So now when I click on it, even though if it's running, this is not moving and this is working fine. So when you have an issue that the bobbin, it's not activate, and as you can see now it's on oil there, so that's fine. Because so what I did put DW40 after I wash it and I clean it. Now it's working fine. You see, it was making that crazy noise before, you see. So when you engage the bobbin winder, the needle should stop immediately. So the only problem that was here was just the clutch was dried inside. The grease get dried, and once it gets dried, that's it. You can do nothing with it. Here's the machine out after I put the cover. Yeah, perfect. It's not giving you that funny noise, you see? Perfect. Now I'm gonna put everything back together. Once I finish, everything will be fine. But then now I wanna show you, listen to this. Nice. So if I engage the bobbin winder now, perfect. Nice stitching. Now when I engage it, again, the machine will start working. If I engage, that's what needs to do. So like I showed you before on that video that I just showed you before, just clean that bobbin winder clutch. Use, you know, use DW40, what I use here. I clean it, wipe it out. I use a little towel, clean it up. Once it's completely clean, you put everything back together, it should be fine. The machine is working perfectly fine. All the stitches, it's on zigzag now, but I will try all the stitches because, you know, when you're working on this machine, you got to make sure you tried everything. It's bobbin winder, it's activated. Straight stitch is working fine. So the machine is finished, and I show you on the video, you know, that cranky noise, weird noise that you get on the bobbin winder. Mostly 99% is the clutch. And 2-3 times% is sometimes just the belt that is not tight enough and it's not giving pressure. Thank you for watching the Sewing Doctor. And your comment, questions, anything, leave it below and I will reply back to you as soon as I get a chance. Remember, we got a lot of comments and a lot of videos and we have to follow up as we do. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.